How can I reset my Ring Doorbell's Wi-Fi settings?
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll be discussing how to reset the Wi-Fi settings on your Ring doorbell. This can be a crucial step if you're having connectivity issues or if you've recently changed your network settings.
When do I need to reset my Ring Doorbell's Wi-Fi?
It might be necessary to reset your Ring doorbell's Wi-Fi settings in a few instances. The most common of these are when you change your router, switch to a new internet service provider, or modify your Wi-Fi password. You may also need to do this if your doorbell is not functioning correctly due to Wi-Fi connectivity issues.
Locating your Ring Doorbell device.
To start the resetting process, you need to identify your Ring doorbell device. 1. Open the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. 2. Select the three-line icon on the top left to open the side menu. 3. Find the device list and choose the Ring doorbell that you want to reset the Wi-Fi for.
Resetting the Wi-Fi settings.
Once you've located your Ring doorbell in the app, it's time to reset the Wi-Fi settings. 1. Tap on the device to bring up its settings. 2. Scroll down and find Device Health. 3. Tap on Device Health. 4. In this section, locate and tap on Reconnect to Wi-Fi or Change Wi-Fi Network. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset and input your new Wi-Fi settings. You'll be asked to input the new Wi-Fi password and possibly reconfirm the location of your device. That's it. You've successfully reset your Ring doorbell's Wi-Fi settings. If you follow these steps correctly, your Ring doorbell should now be connected to your new Wi-Fi network. If you're still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Ring support for additional help. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.